Kitten took salmon. Was Kitten first salmon and she saw just there was available milk in the sky and she wanted it. So she closed the eyes, stretched her neck and opened her mouth and read, but Kitten only had a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. Still, just that rubble milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled the bottom, sprang from top into the porch. But Kitten really tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her poor Kitten. Still, there's that rubble milk just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, and past the field. But Kitten seen it get closer. Poor Kitten. Still, just that rubble milk just waiting. So she climbed the very top, but Kitten still can reach the milk. Now she was scared. Poor Kitten, what could she do? Now, in the pond, what a night. So she raced down a tree, and she raced through the grass, and she raced for the edge of the pond. She reduced all her might. Poor Kitten. She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. And there was the big milk on the porch, just waiting for her. Lucky Kitten.